Hi, my name's Simon. I work here at my Salon Hub. Firstly, let me thank you for signing up for a free trial. This short video is going to cover how to get your first campaign live and generating new business. During the video, I'm going to show you how to create a campaign from one of our great templates, customize the landing page, voucher, and thank you page, share it for free on your social media, and then monitor all your responses. The whole video is no longer than 5 minutes, and by the end, you should be able to get your first campaign live. Okay, so let's get going.
Okay, so here we are. We're on the home page. We need to log in first. There's a green button at the top here which says client login. If we click that, that'll take us to the login page. And you should have signed up using Facebook, and it's easiest to log in with Facebook just here. Okay, so press the login button and that'll take us to the campaign manager. That's the first step. So you're on the campaign manager and we want to create the first campaign. So we're going to create a campaign from template by clicking this big green button here, and that'll take us through to the template library. Now in the template library, you'll find lots of templates for nails, men's grooming, men's hair. We're going to work on nails today. Choose a nails offer, and so I clicked on nails. I quite like the look of this one. So in order to use this campaign, I'm going to press the select button. That's going to copy it into my draft campaigns in my campaign manager. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to edit the landing page. You see down here we've got edit and landing page. So if I click the edit button, there we are, I should bring the landing page up. Now firstly, note everything in green is something you'll want to change. So our imaginary salon's in Liverpool, so I'll just highlight that, type in Liverpool, and I'd like this text in black. So go down here to this A on the menu that's popped up, choose the black, and there we go, change it to black. Now you can, our offer is going to be about £10, so again, same thing, change the colour, type in the text you want, and that's done. Next thing to notice is there's somewhere to put your logo. So I'm going to drop a logo in. The way you do that is just hover over the image, click on it. It should bring up a menu here. Press upload new. And in you'll notice this window's popped up. And in here I'm going to choose our logo for our imaginary salon, Valerie's, and click on it and it goes straight in. It's really simple to do. Note down here, I won't do it now, but there's more green text to edit, your telephone number, website address, etc. But to save time, just imagine I've done that. Right, we'll have a look at the thank you page. The thank you page fires every time someone fills in to get a voucher. So on the screen here, I'll just show you again, put your logo in, upload new, into this window, we'll choose our logo, in it goes, and again, same way as before, edit your details. Obviously you can change the text here to white or whatever color you choose, to be honest. So I'll just for fun just show you that again. And that's the thank you page edited. Once you've done all your editing, then it's time to save. So click the save button. It tells you you're saving down here on the screen. Document saved. And that's good to go back to the campaign hub. So that's our landing page and our thank you page edited. Next thing to do is just have a quick look at the voucher. We're going to edit the voucher. If I click in here, exactly, use the email editor. You should select at this point. And this is our voucher coming up, and it works in exactly the same way. Everything in green, you type in and change the color. So like this, and up at the top, we'll again put our logo in, upload a new logo, click in this box here, that one there, done, and save. Couldn't be easier. Okay, so save the document, back to Campaign Hub, click on the logo in the corner, leave the page. Okay, so we've done all our editing, everything's good. The one last thing you need to look at is just down here in the Actions button, there's another edit function here. And this is important because you want to, this is the message in social media description, which will come up underneath your post. So we'll type some text in. There we go, and excuse, there, I'll just change that for a capital V. And of exclamation marks, go down the bottom and save, and I'll show you where that appears in the post we make. So we're in draft campaign still. Next thing we need to do is activate our campaign. So activate, and that moves it from draft into live. From here, you'll note we've got this big share button that's appeared now, and I can share this onto my Facebook timeline. So the first thing is press share. You get a lot of options here: Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, Pinterest. We're going to use Facebook today. And here we get some more options about how it will appear in the timeline. Bear in mind we're posting socially on your own business page. So I always like this one. We'll press the use this button, and up comes the Facebook window. Now, this is important. Up here, you need to select the right page. So it's usually on your business page, on a page you manage, and you'll get a few options. So posting as, this is Valerie's Salon page, this one here. So posting is Valerie's Salon, and once again, write something in the top, and we should be ready to go. So we can share that link. That's gone off to your business page, and we can close this window down, and that's it. You've shared socially at that stage. Okay, so let's have a look at how our offer looks on Facebook. I've got Facebook open here in a new tab. So click on, this is the Valerie's Salon Facebook page, and here's the offer we just posted. And that's how it will appear in your likes and your followers timeline. Yeah, just like this. Do you remember we added this text here earlier on, and we typed this in a few minutes ago when we posted. So if we click on this image, there we go, there's the landing page we edited earlier. So you can see now there's the Liverpool that we changed, we put the £10 in, the logo, etc. What I'm going to do is just quickly show you what happens when somebody comes to your landing page and fills the form in. So I enter my details. And an email address. And click Get Voucher. There's the thank you page we designed, and that lead will now be arriving back in our system. So if we go back to Valerie's campaigns, and we should be able to look at our analytics and see the lead. Okay, so here we are back in the campaign manager. We're going to have a quick look at our analytics, and the analytics is basically where all your information of how well your shares are doing. So if I look at leads, and there you have it, you can see that lead we filled in just a few minutes ago in Facebook has arrived here in our leads table, and now you would be phoning that person, just say, seen downloaded a voucher, would you like to book an appointment to come in? And all your leads will arrive in this table. We can also have a look at reporting, and we can see other information in here. So it shows you the campaign, etc. It's really, once you have a few campaigns running, it becomes quite good fun to go in and check how your leads are doing, which campaigns are working best. Okay, so that is basically everything about getting your first campaign up and running, starting it and sharing it. If you want to go and start beyond to advertise on Facebook, you need to watch the Facebook ad video that is up on our how-to site, up here in the how-to section. So thanks very much for watching the video. Probably best to watch it 2 or 3 times to really get the hang of it. It's actually very simple. We also have a printed version in a PDF format in the how-to section, and you can see in the how-to section other guides, as I've already mentioned, on different features within the system. Thanks for watching.